Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to go ahead and log into your employee login. So to use the employee login feature, we'll just go ahead and log out from our main account. And now back on this page, we'll be able to log in with the information that we had placed in the creation of the employee. So that will be the same email that's linked to the employee. And then the password is going to be the password that was sent to you on your email. Now logging in, we're going to be in the same store with the same master account, but we're going to be in our user account. So now we'll be able to go over to the side menu here, and we'll see that a lot of the pages are missing. And we also have this new page that's called My Profile. So we'll just go over to My Profile. And here we have the amount of repairs that the employee that's logged in has made. We'll be able to update our information and change anything to our likings. We can also change our employee pin from here to whatever we want it to be. We can set meetings directly from me. I can set the schedule of any employees that are under me, and I can see my tech damage as well.